In this video, we go over how to install our full window vehicle decals. Before starting, check to make sure the weather will be above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not apply the decal if it is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note, we do not recommend placing a decal on a rear window that has a wiper blade. This could cause damage to the decal, or it may rip the decal off. Start off by removing the existing decals from the vehicle's window and clean any dirt and debris off the entire window. This will prevent any particles from creating bubbles in your print. Spray the window with application fluid or a mixture of soap and water. Make sure the whole surface is covered evenly with the fluid. This will help you reposition the decal as needed. Next, peel the backing off your decal and place it on the window. If you find your decal needs repositioned, you can easily take it off and place it again until you are happy with the placement. Once positioned, use a squeegee to smooth out the decal. Start from the center of the decal and move outward towards the edges. This will help remove air bubbles and excess fluid under the decal. With the decal applied to the window, grab a razor blade to cut off extra material that goes past the window's surface. Slowly cut the extra material off, making sure not to scratch the window or the paint. If you have a few centimeters of material left, you may go back to cut it again or use the squeegee to help stick the material around the window gap. When the extra material is removed, go back one more time with the squeegee and smooth out the decal again. Make sure all air bubbles and excess fluid are removed from behind the decal. Allow the window to dry out before driving the vehicle. Your vehicle decal is now installed.